your sentences sound choppy, you're not alone. Let's smooth things out with linking tips. Linking is like the secret sauce for smooth English speech. Instead of saying I like it, try I like it. See how it flows? That's linking in action. Another tip is connecting vowel sounds. Instead of go in, say go in. Easy, right? Stress patterns are also key. By emphasizing certain syllables, your speech becomes clearer. For example, I can't believe it. Notice the stress on can't and leave? It makes a big difference. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep blending those consonants and vowels, and watch your fluency soar. Thanks for tuning in, and happy linking!